Okay, so today we're doing a basic oil change on a Chevy Cobalt 2005. We've got our oil tray here to catch the oil. We've got a 3/8 inch ratchet. We've got our 15mm socket. We've got a 32mm socket to take the filter off. We've also got an extension to make it a bit easier. And we've got 5W30 engine oil to put in afterwards. This is the filter we'll be using today and the O-ring. And then we've got a funnel and some paper towel to wipe it up. And we've also got our end cap remover just to show with our other filter, which we won't be using today.
To pop the hood, what you have to do is pull a little lever that's down underneath the dash by the door.
After the hood is popped, you'll find a little latch underneath. Just pull that and the hood comes right up.
Now I need to find the dipstick, which is in the engine, which is a yellow little circle thing. Take your rag all the way down, clean all the oil off. Then you want to put the dipstick back in once clean to see what level the oil's at. Once it's down all the way, pull it back out. You don't wipe it this time, and you see what level the oil's at. This one's full and clean, but we're going to change it to show you how to do an oil change. If your oil is down here, that means it needs to be filled again. If your oil is up here, that's the max, which means it's okay. If it's in between here, it's still pretty good.
To lift the vehicle, you use this green button. Once the vehicle is about a foot off the ground, you do a shake test. Once done the shake test, you continue to raise the vehicle. Once the vehicle is at the height that you would like, pull the black lever down slowly. Now the vehicle is on the lawn.
Alright, so once you've got your oil tray underneath your oil pan, you'll want to find the drain plug. It's usually located at the back of the oil pan. So you take your 15mm socket and put it on your ratchet. You want to loosen this, and a bit of oil might come out.
Alright, so the next step in the changing oil process, you gotta grab this drain plug here. You can normally just loosen it with your fingers. Sometimes you need a ratchet or a wrench. You just untwist it like this until it comes out. Yeah. Alright, and then it'll fall into this oil drain here. It's going to drip out. You can put this thing in there, just let it drain. And once it's empty, you just have to tap it a few times, make sure if it's dripping or not. Yeah, it's a pretty simple process.
Use a ratchet to tighten the drain plug. Before lowering the vehicle, take out anything that's underneath the vehicle. Raise the vehicle off the locks, then pull the safety release and pull the black lever down slowly.
To the filter, it is underneath this case here. To open it, you need to turn this, take the cap off, then nice and gently pull this off. And if you come over here, the oil filter is this right here, which we will use a socket to take off. Now use a socket to loosen it. Once it's loosened enough, take the socket off and use your hand. Once you've unscrewed it, pull the filter out. Make sure you've got some paper towel to catch the excess oil. Lid off, and that is the old filter. You're going to replace it with a brand new clean one. This is the old O-ring and this is the new one. We're just going to put it in the groove right there, like that.
On the new O-ring, you put some oil to lubricate it so it stays sealed. Now we put the oil filter in the lid by pushing it in. So then you should just feel it. Now we put it back in and turn it until it's hand tight. Once it is hand tight, you can tighten it with the socket. Don't tighten it too much or else it'll break or it'll wear down the corners. just till it's snug.
Put the cover on. To fill up with oil, you'll want to use a funnel. And for this one, we're using 5W30 oil. And we're going to put 4 liters in and then run it and see how it is.
After you've run the vehicle, wipe the dipstick clean. Put the dipstick back in and check the reading.
7 years.
It is full.
After you close the hood of your vehicle, that's how you safely complete an oil change. Today we're doing a basic oil change.
Is that right?